If you play a lot of PS5 and want a real edge over other players, today we are looking at the Moddedzone. They make custom PS5 controllers built to help you play better, react faster, and look cooler while doing it. Let's break it down. Moddedzone is a company based in Florida. They take real Sony DualSense controllers and add their own upgrades on top. Things like extra back paddles, hair triggers, custom grips, and their own chip called MZ Titan. They have shipped over 300,000 controllers so far, so they are not new to this. So, what do you actually get? First, you get the MZ Titan chip. This chip lets you control all your mods straight from your phone using their free app. No more holding down weird button combos and hoping something changes. Just open the app, tap a few times, and done. Next up, remappable paddles. These sit on the back of the controller. You can assign any button to them, so your thumbs never have to leave the joysticks. That alone can make a big difference in fast games. You also get hair triggers. These fire faster than a normal trigger. In shooting games, that small difference can save your life. Add in the anti-recoil mod, and your shots stay steady even when your gun kicks hard. On top of all that, you can fully design how the controller looks. Colors, images, custom shells, it is all there. Now let's be real. These controllers are not cheap. You're looking at anywhere from $150 to well over $250 depending on what you pick. Shipping takes 5 to 7 business days, sometimes longer, and some buyers have had issues with broken units arriving or slower customer service replies. It does not happen all the time, but it is worth knowing before you buy. If you play a lot of first-person shooters like Call of Duty, Warzone, and Black Ops, this controller can genuinely help. Casual players might find the price hard to justify, but if gaming is serious for you, the extra controller is real. Moddedzone makes a strong product. The MZ Titan app sets it apart from most other modded controllers out there. Just go in with clear eyes on the price and double check what is included before you order. Is it worth it for the right gamer? Absolutely. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.